Hello, in front of me I've got NEXTBASE Dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to front windshield. In the beginning, prepare your dashcam and this holder. Install the holder like this. It's highly magnetic, so you don't have to worry that it will fall off. Once it's installed, remove this film and then attach it to front windshield like that. After it's attached, you can adjust the position of the dashcam, and at the end connect dashcam to charger via this part right here. Here we've got the special outlet for charger. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.